Here in this system we have like cassette units. This is storage. This building is for like storage building. We have here the cassette unit. This Samsung is connected to VRF system. As we see here, the supply, suction and discharge pipes is connected. Also the control and power and drain all is connected. But today I want to show to you this the controller. As you see, here's this air curtain here. It's working also. I tested. But the main issue here I want to show to you is this Samsung controller for all these cassette units. As we see here, we'll start here, touch centralized controller. Okay, let's start with control and monitoring. This all the units that we have here, all the units. If we want to go to the next, it will be here, all the units. And here, as we see here, there is one unit here, it's have problem. But for example, if I want to turn on this one, for example, this number 73, as we see here, is this one, this unit is cool only. Okay, and the temperature is from 64 Fahrenheit to 76. Like for example, I want to turn this on, so I select, I can deselect it again, I select, and I can make it on. As you see, started cooling. Okay, so I turn it off, I can do it. Controls, let me check the controls for this units. As we see here, HP73, I can select indoor power. Okay, I can turn it on and off as I want. Like here, it's on, started working. But here I'm keeping it off. Also indoor mode, here I can select here indoor mode, it's auto mode or cooling mode, dry, fan, heat, but the system here no heat. So as you see, you cannot select this, but you can select it as a fan or dry or cool or auto mode. So we'll select it as cool. Okay, the desired temperature, I can control the temperature as you see here, going up and down. Okay, starting from 64 and going up as you see here. Okay, until what? Until 74. So it's from 64 Fahrenheit to 74 Fahrenheit. But okay, I am testing it, so let's say 64. This controls the fan speed. The fan speed, I can make it auto or low, mid or high. Okay, I can select any one. Okay, and set it. For air directions, this will show air direction. As you see here in Samsung, it's easy to explain to you how the air will go. This is the unit here, so it will go like vertical. Okay, it will be the air direction. Okay, but I can select it will be like vertical or horizontal. But the most important in the corridor that to supply the air for the corridor, not for the storing area. The main area is the corridor where the people can go, but for storage area, just items and things, so no need for much cooling. This wind free, this I can do it on and off. This is controlling the speed. Okay, remote control, if I want to use remote control for these units, but here I don't want to use remote control, I want all the control from here. Okay, filter design, if I clean the filter of the cassette units and I want to reset it, so I can reset the filter from here, and I can enable the remote control. Okay, RC is remote control. RC is abbreviation for remote control, so I can disable remote control, enable, and continuous conditioned remove control. Let's me check this the advanced operation. Let's this for all the units. As the advanced operation, motion detection, this in case that the AC will work if there is anybody is moving, but this one is not good. Just 1 minute, let's try to arrange the video. Yeah, it's clear now. Motion detection, I can select for the motion detection, but this not good for me because I want the AC is working all the time. Here this SPI for S this is for ionizing and filtering the air. SPI this is this SPI is for S plasma ion, this for filtering the air. Operation mode, this cool only, as we see here, this the system here is cool only. It can be cool only, heat only, and none. This one is cool only. Okay, because now in the summer, this is the cool limit. The cool limit is 64 to 86. I can select here, as you see, I can change it. Okay, to the desired one. Okay, but we'll change. Here the heat limit, I can also control the heat limit, as you see here, this orange. Okay, I can control the heat limit. Okay, so okay, I can send this mean I can send this settings. Okay, so this how we can control and select. I can select many units as I can and deselect it again, or I can select all the unit. As you see here, I can select all. Okay, but let me deselect it. Also for this legend, you can see also this the blue one indicating that it's on, this one the gray is off, this in peak, and this in defrost. This filter warning, this the black one, means showing that black area error, as you see here. Network check, it's checking for network. Temperature limit, it's like C. Disable remote control, it's R. Just 1 minute, let's. This is disable remote control if you want to disable this for the remote control also. And this is the schedule. If I want to make the schedule, I'll show to you also how to make the schedule. Cool only, as you see, heat only. This is the indication. Motion detection, and this, as we see here, this is this SPI. This special modes, as you see here, anti-freezing and MDS SPI settings and vent. Okay, this is for the legend. Okay, let's go to the home. As you see here, I can do schedule for the system. Like for example, here I'll make like new schedule. Okay, this new schedule, it like I can give it like any names, and I can put how many units. Okay, I can select all the units that I will make in schedule. Like I can control like 2, 3, 10 units will work in Saturday, 2, 3 work in Sunday. I can control for all the units. As you see, count is 31 for all the units. I can control also the schedule. It's like Sunday, Monday, and also I can create the event and save. It's easy to schedule in this system. Also for settings, this system settings, I can lock the system, I can control the password, indoor units options, all the indoor. I can control the language, time and date. Okay, also this the brightness and everything for screen settings. And for editing the zones, if I have many zones, I can control the zone. I can create a zone, or I can delete the zone, I can change everything. For trouble history, this will show all the trouble history in the system. Like in this case that we are installing the system, we are checking that we have some problems here. As you see, resolve it. So when I'm inspecting it, I must see that all the problems solved, and as you see, it's resolved here. Okay, I can delete or refresh all, and DI patterns. Those all the settings. Also, installation settings, network tracking, data backup and restoration, device settings, data backup. Okay, I can make a backup and restore the data. Okay, device settings, if I want to indoor mode, network, control level, and everything here. System initialization. Okay, this is for starting the system. Okay, let's go here. Also, this is the device information. As you see, this all about all the information here for the system. Let's go to home. So this all for Samsung controller, the main controller, the thermostat. Just 1 minute, let's make it clear here. Now it's clear because I was moving. Now this is the controller here in the system for the VRF system. Okay.